since I've been using my Panasonic bread makers, I've been really kind of blown away and surprised at just how versatile they are. Now the cool thing about Panasonic bread makers is they have a whole range of auto programs. The white model has 30 and the stainless steel model has 31. Everything from a basic loaf to wholemeal, raisin bread, brioche, sourdough. You also have gluten-free options too. So that's pretty awesome. Now you also have dual temperature sensors in here, both internal and external, and that means that the bread maker can very accurately calculate the proving time for your dough. Now, kneading is an important part of the baking process and has a huge influence on how your bread turns out. The ribbed bread pan and the unique kneading blades in your Panasonic bread maker are designed to grab, fold, stretch, and work the dough to mimic techniques used by master bakers and achieve that perfect dough every time. Now the added bonus with this model is that you have a yeast dispenser and a fruit and nut dispenser, so the bread maker knows exactly when to add those things in at just the right moment. Now, if you are a more experienced baker, you can also use the manual settings on your bread maker. So you can choose your cake kneading or bread kneading or the amount of rise time that you want. I've been making pasta dough, pizza dough, you can make jam in here. I've even made butter in my bread maker. So many ways that you can be using your Panasonic bread maker and, making some really delicious things.